Good evening. After violent skirmishes between PLA troops and Indian Army in Ladakh, now we are noticing skirmish in the Sikkim region, which is basically the international border. It is not LAC. There is no Chinese claim, there is nobody's claim. Even China accepts Sikkim as the Indian territory. So, why is China behaving like this? This is a $1 million question because this area, Sikkim, there is no contest, and that too skirmish took place when the temperature is sub-zero, and that topography is really hostile in the mountainous region. So when temperatures are sub-zero, when winds are there, when the topography, the terrain is hostile, it's not like that they have crossed the region by mistake and Indian troops stopped them and there some kind of skirmish took place. No, it was well planned. I think so. This is my analysis that it was well planned and they want to provoke India. And why they want to provoke India? There are many reasons behind it. First of all, they were thinking that India would actually bend down on their terms in Ladakh. But unfortunately for them, India showed great resilience, so much so that actually China is on defensive in that region because Indian army is occupying the strategic heights and strategic locations. Then they are having international pressures because the way they deal and they bully everybody. Plus, right now the vaccine diplomacy of India, it is showing effects because all the SAARC countries except Pakistan is taking vaccines from India. India has also gifted so many vaccines to neighboring countries like Bangladesh, Maldives, Bhutan, even up till Brazil. But China is not annoyed because of Brazil, but China is annoyed because of this whole region of SAARC, excluding Pakistan. Literally every country is taking Indian vaccine and they are not accepting that Sinovac of China. And some time back they were in talks for Chinese vaccine, but now they are not taking and they are not wanting, they are not ordering those vaccines because the results are not good. Plus, the resilience, what they are feeling there in Ladakh is a cause of worry for Xi Jinping because he is a dictator, right? But even in the one party rule, he has to give answers to some people. Now he is losing his face because the PLA is looking a weak army in front of India. So the frustration of Beijing is shown by opening other fronts. Like some time back, we saw that in Arunachal Pradesh, in our territory, the territory we claim, though they are occupying that territory from 1959. 1959, they are occupying Indian territory of Arunachal Pradesh. They constructed a new village. Now we are seeing this Chinese misadventure in Sikkim. There also 20 of the PLA soldiers are injured. So this frustration of failed vaccine diplomacy, failed misadventure in Ladakh, plus what India has done that on Republic Day we are going to decorate our martyred Brigadier Santosh Babu, who got martyred when skirmishes in Ladakh in Galwan took place between the PLA and Indian Army. Now we are decorating him with Mahavir Chakra. Now this Mahavir Chakra or Mahavir medal is basically a wartime medal. So by decorating our Braveheart martyr with the Mahavir Chakra, the wartime medal. Indian government is giving a very strong and very sharp message that India is looking at these misadventures of China as an act of war against the nation. So we are decorating our Braveheart with a wartime medal. But on the other end, the Chinese PLA is not even telling the numbers, how many boys they lost. They are hiding faces, and due to which even in the Chinese social media so many things are going on that they have lost so many boys. Even United States media is saying they lost somewhere around 43 to 48 or something like that. Even if foreign media is saying so, that is also a part of their frustration. Then some days back, our Air Force chief, he said that India is fully prepared to deal with violence. Now this message is true for whom? It is not for Pakistan, because Pakistan is of no match when it comes to strength with India. This was a direct message hitting upon. It is a very loaded message, you can say in military term. It is a very locked and loaded message for China. So this frustration is coming out in these ways. But I think due to all these things, the standoff between China and India may go on for many months. I don't feel that it will end so early and let the ice melt. I'm not talking the melting of ice in relationship. Let the ice melt in the mountains. We may find even more skirmishes or some activities like this, because right now the weather is very hostile. So it's good that China is having bleedy nose everywhere. They failed there in Ladakh. Now they are hiding faces in Ladakh. Then now even in Sikkim, they have to hide their face because this misadventure also failed. Their vaccine diplomacy got thrown up in the garbage box like other Chinese products. So China is having a tough time, and that is the reason all these things are taking place. Thank you.